How to install DOS exhaust valves. Step 1. Install an A27 battery into your remote. Make sure the blue light works. Step 2. Preparation for installation. You will need a Phillips head screwy, a 2mm and 4mm Allen key, and a 7mm spanner, and some Loctite. Remove all fasteners from the valve assembly. Apply Loctite and re-torque all the fasteners. This prevents your choppy idle vibrating your valve loose. Step 3. Test type. You can USE, a 12-volt supply, or just plug your Bluetooth transmitter or switch controller into your old man's Colorado. Now everything works. Let's chop up your exhaust. Work out where you want to put your exhaust valves. If it's a tight fit, you might need to cut off your flange at the start of the merge. Mark out where you want to cut your exhaust. Remove your exhaust. Cut out your exhaust and weld in your exhaust valve merge pipe. Refit your exhaust. STEP4. Now you can assemble your exhaust valve. Torque the bolts. Run the cables. Plug everything in. Final test. Now you can install your tips. You can cut the tips down to gain some ground clearance. We had to